All right, dryer, you're getting clean. So let's unplug it. Unplug the power. So now we just vacuum up.
What you doing right now?
Okay, so I need a wire cutter so I can cut that. You wanna help me get it?
Sure.
I was frustrated with it, and I figured let me get the flimsy one because that's all I've ever known. Apparently the guy's like, no, this is better, the flimsy ones suck. He's got to be patient. So my wife has more patience. Try to get it up in there. And then I'm going to vacuum inside of this. These things are pretty clean. All right. Bunchy here's a little worried. So we're cutting it to open it up. His patience was not working. No such thing as patience. If it just doesn't work, how much munch? Oh, you little baby. Come on, let's go. I know, it's so weird.
The confused birds. Kind of funny when they were flying, it looked almost like a giant star, like at the tail and the wings.
Yep. So now we blew it all out, and now we're going to connect it again. Mr. Munch is worried, keeping an eye on everything and everyone. Oh, my baby. More?
Mm-hmm.
More?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm a little bit concerned about the pipe though. Should you be back there while I'm pushing it in?
The who back in?
No. Just likes to live there. Makes it heavy.
What are you talking about?